Okay, didn't see that. Welcome back to Cooking with Grace, and I have two special guests today.
Billy and Bob!
Billy and Bob! It's Luke and Liv, my little siblings. Okay, Luke, both of you, I want you to say your name, your full name, okay? And no, I'm just kidding, not your full name, just your first name. And then your date, no, I'm just kidding, not the day you were born. How old you are, and what your favorite color is. Go.
My name is
No, one at a time, Your name is not Olivia, don't lie.
My name is Liv, and I'm 6.5 years old, and my favorite color is blue and pink.
Pick one.
Blue. I'm Luke, and I'm 8 years old, and my favorite color is pink.
Wait, that is reverse. That is not how. Your favorite color is pink and yours is blue. Stop being knucklehead.
No change!
Okay, all
Mine
right.
is pink. Knucklehead.
Okay. So today, we're gonna have a baking competition, but it's not really, but it's like kind of. Luke is gonna be making these blueberry muffins, and Liv's gonna be making these chocolate chip muffins, okay?
I will take more.
So, yeah, I know. They each have their mixing bowls and their ingredients in front of them, already ready. I'm gonna get you both spoons. You're gonna open the packages and go.
I don't really know how to make muffins.
Well, you're gonna have to figure it out somehow.
All right, I'll read the directions.
Liv, can you read?
Too complicated.
Too complicated.
It
Well,
says
you
oven
can
to
skip-
400
Yeah, I already put the oven.
375 for death.
I already, death?
Dark.
Okay, how about you just start by opening this?
Okay, water.
I already got your ingredients for you.
It kind of tastes good.
You ate it?
I just put my finger.
No. You know what to do. Okay, I'm scared of you doing this. I'm gonna cut it.
Could I pour it in now?
Please don't make a mess.
I won't.
Like, be responsible when you do it.
I love pouring things.
Because you're getting points for everything you do. I'm giving you points.
3, 2, 1, go. Fall off my chair. Go.
You've got a lot more ingredients there, buddy. No.
What?
Those are all hers.
Oh.
Okay. So basically, today they wanted to have a sibling rivalry, so I thought, what better to have a baking competition?
No, I wanted to win.
Okay. I'm gonna just go back here and line the baking sheet.
Yes,
or
that
whatever.
means they're stuck with
With the
us two.
cups.
Billy and Bob. Ooh, I'm Billy. I'm a singer. No, I'm Bob. No, I'm Billy and you're Bob. No, I don't want to be Bob. No, you're Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder, we can suck it. Now we're gonna get so much.
Oh, Liv, I see, is cleaning her station. Bonus points.
What? I'm cleaning my cup.
Ew! Okay, wait, that was no. That's not really gross. I think you guys are ready for your next step. Okay, so here, I'm gonna do a demonstration on one of Liv's. Here's what you're gonna do. Actually, here, watch out.
Are we getting biscuits?
You are going to take spoons,
Okay.
take a spoonful, and put it in the cup. Okay? That's That's as much as you want to put in for now. If you have leftovers, you can kind of fill in the ones that don't have as much.
All right. Is that good?
That's a lot. I said 1 spoonful per cup.
Am I doing good?
Yes, Liv, you're doing fantastic. I'm very proud of you. We're gonna come back when Liv is done because she's not even close. So we have finished putting the batter into the pans, and now we're just gonna put them into the oven for a little bit, and we'll check back when they're done.
Okay, so our cupcakes are ready. Oh, I mean,
They're just gonna take over my YouTube channel.
I get chocolate first.
No, wait.
No, these are mine.
Back up. Hi guys, we're back. We are gonna do a little taste test of the muffins. And as you can see, they are both very ready for this. They just won't back up. So that's why we're doing the blueberry first. If you don't eat the blueberry, you can't have the chocolate. The bottom ripped off a little bit, but that's okay. We don't have to do that. Okay.
I'm kind of like.
They're very, like, we cooked them just enough. It might be hot, so blow on it.
Oh yeah. Give me a little bit. I don't like blueberry.
Blueberry's so good.
Mmm.
Didn't I tell you?
Mhm.
It's good.
She told me. She told me.
I think it was just one time that I messed them up, and you guys like were like. Okay.
Blueberry's good.
It was also too hot, so the bottom came off of that one too, so it's fine. Blow, 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 blow. It's hot. Okay, or spit it out on the counter. Works too.
Yeah.
They're cooked perfectly.
I kind of like the blueberry flavor.
Really? That's shocking. What about you, Liv?
I kind of like the mine better.
I like the blueberry too.
Yeah. Mine?
The blueberry is just like a little bit more crunchy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to
Like and subscribe.
bye. See you next time.
Bye. Bye.